Winter cold can make your car, RV, or garage unbearable, but the right diesel heater changes everything. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best diesel heaters that deliver fast heating, strong performance, and smart control features like app connectivity and altitude adjustment. If you want reliable warmth and fuel-efficient performance in extreme conditions, this list is for you. Let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR 8 kW Diesel Heater All-in-One. The VEVOR 8 kW Diesel Heater All-in-One is built for users who need powerful, reliable heating in vehicles, RVs, garages, and workspaces during extreme cold. Delivering strong 8 kW heat output, it quickly warms enclosed spaces while maintaining fuel efficiency and consistent airflow. The all-in-one integrated design keeps the fuel tank, control system, and heating components neatly housed for easier installation and portability. One of its biggest advantages is Bluetooth app control, allowing you to adjust temperature settings directly from your smartphone. It also features automatic altitude adjustment up to 18,045 feet, ensuring stable combustion performance even in high-elevation environments. The included remote control and LCD display make operations simple and convenient. Designed for durability and steady winter performance, this heater is ideal for travelers, truck owners, and workshop users who need dependable warmth with modern smart features. Number 2. LF Brothers 5 kW Diesel Heater. The LF Brothers 110V divided by 12V divided by 24V 5 kW diesel heater offers efficient and compact heating performance for smaller spaces like campers, garages, workshops, and home shops. Its all-in-one design includes a built-in 5-liter fuel tank, making installation straightforward while keeping the setup clean and organized. The 5 kW output provides steady and reliable heat, ideal for maintaining comfort in moderate cold conditions. This heater supports multiple power options, including 110V AC and 12V or 24V DC, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. The included LCD screen and remote control allow easy temperature adjustments without needing direct access to the unit. Its efficient combustion system helps reduce fuel consumption while delivering stable heat output. With a stylish exterior design and dependable operation, this heater is a practical solution for users looking for balanced performance, portability, and everyday winter reliability. Number 3. 8 kW Toolbox Compact Diesel Air Heater 2025 Upgraded. The 8 kW Toolbox Compact 2S Portable Diesel Air Heater 2025 Upgraded combines strong heating performance with a convenient toolbox-style design. Built for RVs, campers, garages, and workshops, this all-in-one system includes a 5-liter fuel tank and supports 110V, 12V, and 24V power options for flexible installation. Its compact structure makes it easy to transport and store without sacrificing heating capability. This upgraded 2025 version features fast heating technology that quickly raises the interior temperature even in freezing conditions. App control functionality allows users to monitor and adjust settings remotely for added convenience. It also includes altitude mode, ensuring efficient combustion in mountainous regions. The optimized internal design reduces ticking noise commonly found in diesel heaters, creating a quieter experience. Designed for portability, efficiency, and modern control features, this model is ideal for users who want powerful heating in a compact and versatile format. Number 4. HBH1S 8 kW Diesel Parking Heater. The HBH1S 12V 8 kW Diesel Air Heater is engineered for drivers and RV owners who require consistent heat and smart control features during winter travel. With a strong 8 kW heating output, it rapidly warms vehicle cabins, campers, and enclosed spaces while maintaining efficient fuel usage. Its all-in-one design simplifies installation and keeps components organized for reliable performance. This heater includes app control functionality and 10 adjustable temperature settings, giving users precise control over their comfort level. The automatic start-stop feature improves efficiency by regulating fuel flow based on temperature demand. Compatible with 110V AC as well as 12V and 24V DC systems, it offers flexible power options for various applications. Its fast heating capability and stable combustion system ensure dependable performance even in harsh weather. Built for convenience and durability, this heater delivers strong, consistent warmth for extended trips and cold overnight conditions. Number 5. SILVEL 8 kW Portable Diesel Heater. The SILVEL 8 kW diesel heater delivers dependable heating performance for cars, RVs, trucks, garages, boats, and workshops. Featuring a larger 7 to 8 liter fuel tank capacity, it supports longer operating times between refills, making it suitable for extended use in cold environments. Its powerful 8 kW output ensures fast and consistent heat distribution throughout enclosed spaces. Equipped with an LCD display and remote control, this heater allows users to easily monitor and adjust temperature settings. It supports 110V, 12V, and 24V power systems, offering installation flexibility across different setups. The durable housing and efficient combustion system contribute to stable operation and improved fuel efficiency. Designed for reliability and convenience, this model is ideal for users who need strong heating performance, longer runtime, and dependable cold weather operation in both mobile and stationary environments. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.